Hi everyone, welcome back again to another video. Today just giving a review on my air fryer since I had received so many messages and emails requesting for a video on the air fryer. Many wanted to know more about it, if it's worth buying one, the recipes we could try in it, the price of it and so on. So finally decided to do this video. Along with this I'm doing a recipe too, so keep watching. Now we bought this around 2-3 months back, but before buying it, we had heard a lot about it from our friends who have been using it since a year, and how healthy it is since we don't have to use any oil and still we could get that fried taste. Now to be honest, we bought it when there was an offer going on for the air fryer from Carrefour. The offer has come again, it's till 4th December, so if you're in Riyadh, do check it out. It's available in 2 colors here, black as well as white. We grabbed the black one. Now this is the one. The size is 800 grams. It's good for grilling, roasting and baking. There is a recipe book inside with not so many recipes but few simple ones. Now apart from this, separately we could buy the accessories. These are helpful for baking and other stuffs. So far I haven't bought any of these, shall try soon. Here's the instruction paper. At the end you can see the cleaning instructions too. I'll be showing that in this video. Now this is the time knob that you need to set for different items that you'll be cooking in. And here is the temperature to set. They have already mentioned on it for different items. This is almost like a mini electric oven. Now when you open it, here's where you'll be placing the food. And here will be the extra oil that gets collected. Backside there is a vent like an exhaust for the heat to go out. I had already shown earlier air frying chicken in one of my previous videos. Now at any time you can always check the food inside if it's done or not. I had even fried fish. That's spring roll. I brushed some oil on it, otherwise it'll be too dry. Now let me show you a recipe along with this, a simple one. Into a grinder, adding 4 shallots. Then goes 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Then 1 tablespoon of vinegar, some salt and make it to a paste. Add it into a mixing bowl. Then half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 2 tablespoons of dried red chili flakes, just a pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Then goes in 1 kilo chicken pieces. I have made it into small pieces. Now frying it in the air fryer. To fry chicken, the temperature is 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, slicing 2 medium-sized onions. Now since the chicken pieces were small, I checked after 10 minutes and it was completely done. Earlier I used to take out for turning over to the other side, but I feel that's not required because it gets cooked all over otherwise too. Placing the rest of the chicken pieces into it, and this time cooking for just 10 to 12 minutes. Now heating some coconut oil in a kadai, adding 2 bay leaves, then goes in the sliced onions, mix well. Add 4 green chilies, you can reduce to lower the spicy level. Just saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Adding 1 small tomato chopped, some salt. We had already added to the chicken, so add accordingly. Once it's sauteed for 4 to 5 minutes, the onion and tomato is a little soft, adding half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything very well till all the masalas are well roasted. Then goes in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now if you don't have the paste, you can add 1 tomato blended to a puree. Mix everything very well for 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. The cleaning part I have shown towards the end. Now to the kadai, adding a cup of hot water. Adding half cup more. You can see the chicken is well cooked. Adding it to the gravy. Mix well. Just removing the bay leaves from it. I'm grinding a handful of cashews with some water and making it to a paste. Add this to the curry along with some water. Mix well, let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes and the curry is done. Now to the cleaning and maintenance. You can safely put this in a dishwasher, but here I am showing the other way. Now here you can see the oil that's collected. As soon as you finish cooking in it, fill in with some water, tap water. Add some dishwashing liquid. And let it sit as such for 30 minutes. Then use a brush, softer one preferred. Scrub the particles so that it's easily removed. Now for cleaning you can use a sponge too. Always clean with the yellow side. Don't use this side as it would get stuck onto here. So clean only with the soft side. Let it dry. Now if you see extra smoke coming out from here, then it's time for a deep clean. Mine was not yet to be done but took a video to show you all. Into a glass, add 100 ml of water. To that add just a teaspoon of baking soda. Now add this to a spray bottle. Now turn your air fryer upside down. Spray the baking soda mix to the inside of the air fryer. After a minute, turn to the normal position and wait for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, repeat once again. Spray the mixture. After a minute, turn to the original position and again wait for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, into this add 2 cups or 400 ml of water and place it inside. Put the temperature to 200 degrees and turn on for 20 minutes. Then after that, unplug the air fryer. Take out this part and clean it. Now here, put it upside down. You can see the white residue of the baking soda, but don't worry, clean it with a brush or sponge. The white particles will easily come off and you can clean it well. Wipe the body of the air fryer with a wet cloth and then with a dry cloth. And the air fryer is all clean. Now this needn't be done every time, only when you see extra smoke coming out from the vent, or maybe once in 2 or 3 months, that's all. So that's for today's video. Hope you found it informative. I shall upload more recipes done in air fryer. This was a quick one. I'll be putting some links below for online purchase of the air fryer. Do check out if you need one. There are different types of air fryers of different companies. I'll even link mine below, so do check out. Now for more videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon, only then you will get the notification on my new video. See you soon again. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.